Hello everyone, welcome to Canning Coffee. Here we have a Jura Impressa XS90 espresso machine. Now for this machine we just did a tune-up. We removed the infuser located right around here, and we lubricated, replaced the O-ring, deep clean everything inside, and there was a lot of old coffee inside the infuser. We also deep cleaned the spouts. The spouts were as well pretty clogged with coffee. So yeah, that's all what we did. Oh, we also rescaled the machine manually as well. So starting with one shot of espresso, two shots of espresso since I already selected. We're gonna test out the machine, then we're gonna test out the hot water and then the steam. Unfortunately, we don't have the adapter of the milk froth adapter, so we're just gonna run it without it. As you can see, good water flow, excellent color. Now hot water. And as well, you can see a very steady flow of water with a good temperature as well. That's pretty good. Now we're gonna test the steam on the side of the machine. And now we're going to do a latte macchiato to test pretty much everything at once. As you can see, I said it's a stream of steam coming out of the steamer. Come through here, yes. Good water flow coming out of the other spout, working perfectly fine. And there you have it, Jura Impressa XS90 working once again. So thank you for Canning Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day, and thanks for watching.